Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Apple MFI certified lightning cable you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Apple MFI certified lightning cable and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Apple MFI certified lightning cable so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an Apple MFI certified lightning cable. First, always check for the official MFI certification logo on the packaging to ensure the cable meets Apple's quality standards and works safely with your devices. Next, pay attention to build quality. Choose cables with strong connectors and durable materials like braided nylon to prevent fraying and breakage. Also, consider the cable length that suits your daily usage, as shorter cables are great for travel while longer ones are ideal for home or office use. Price can vary, but avoid extremely cheap cables that may not be truly certified. Finally, always buy from trusted brands or authorized sellers to guarantee authenticity and long-lasting performance. These simple steps help you get a reliable, safe, and efficient charging experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.